What's up? It's your Dr. Night from BIGBAKEROLL TV, and you're tuned in to episode 33. You guys, so for today's dessert, we will be making a fruity pebble cake in celebration of BIGBAKEROLL's 1 year anniversary. So, if you guys been here from day one, you guys would know that in my first episode, I made a fruity pebbles cake, and I tried to do I tried to make a cute little fruity pebbles cake, basically. And it came out cute, it came out good, it looked good, it tastes good, but it was definitely beginner friendly. And today I'm going to be making it again, but I'm going to be trying to make it taste better, look like more appetizing, and yeah, it's gonna be way more fun. And in my first episode, I said I want to make an epic cake, but this cake is definitely going to be epic. So yeah, and I'm going to compare the two, and I'm very excited for this. And y'all, we made it to 1 year. So if you guys have been supporting me since day one, like I said, thank you guys so much for the support. We had our first bake sale this year, and we tried many desserts, and this year was definitely a good start for me. And it was like I definitely learned a lot of new things, like in the baking industry, and yeah, like I've been having fun with it. So like I'm definitely excited that I hit 1 year. I actually can't believe it's been 1 year already. It will be 1 year tomorrow, June 13th. So yeah, and I definitely like found love for baking within this 1 year. Like I always like to bake. If you guys know, like I said, if you guys been here, y'all know like the rundown of it all. Y'all know that I've been baking with my grandma and all of that stuff. But I will talk more about it in like my 1 year experience during this episode. Let's just go ahead and get into it. But like I said, I'm very excited. Leave me some comments below. We made it, and yeah, let's get into it. So for the cake, we're just going to be making a white cake, but because like the fruity pebbles cake that I used in my first episode, it was like limited edition. So we're going to make this cake fruity pebbles cake, so I'm going to be adding fruity pebbles inside. But yeah, so let's go ahead and start making this cake, and I can tell you guys about my little 1 year journey. So first, we're just adding our cake to our bowl, and we're adding in a half a cup of oil and 1 cup of water and 3 eggs. I'm not going to pour all the details out of like everything because I have something coming for you guys. Just stay tuned. But I guess I'll start. Why did I start this? Why did I start BIGBAKEROLL TV? Like, what made me start is like, out of all things that I could have did, why this? Where did the idea concept come from? And all that extra stuff. So basically, I remember this like yesterday, but basically one day I just like, I don't know, like I said, I bake with my grandma and stuff, but like I never saw baking as like a passion business like how I'm doing it right now. Like I never saw it as that. Like I just always liked to bake. It was a fun little hobby and stuff. I made brownies for my family and all that stuff, but I never like saw it as this, what I'm doing right now. So I watched like baking videos here and there, but one day I remember just going up to my mom and I was like, I want to do like I want to have like a baking series. I don't remember how the conversation went, but basically I was telling her like I want to have like a baking show. No, that's what I said, a baking show. That's where the TV part comes in at, because like my name is pretty long, but like I love it. So I was saying like I want to have a baking show, cause you know shows like Nailed It, Cake Boss. What's that other show? Like competitive baking. Like anyway, competitive baking shows, like they were interesting to me. I like watching them. And like I basically just said I want to do a baking show. And my mom was like, okay. Like one thing about my mom, like if I want to do something, she's gonna support it. That's what I like. And then like we just plan it out and go with it. So that's what we did basically. So she was like, okay, we need to get this and that. And mind you, like this was probably like a few weeks to a month until my birthday, and my birthday is in March. So like this had to be like a few weeks, because I remember like time was ticking, because my first episode was supposed to drop that Sunday after my birthday. So my birthday, okay, my first episode was supposed to drop March 26th. So that means my birthday was on Friday, right? 24, 25, 26. Yeah, my birthday was on Friday. So it was supposed to drop that Sunday. And it didn't end up dropping that Sunday because everything was just so cramped together. And then my birthday, like I wasn't prepared and I didn't just want to drop anything. So we was planning it out and stuff like that. And my mom decided, okay. So the original plan was it was going to be like a series. It was going to be like competitions, tutorials. What I'm doing right now is like making new things and like all this stuff. So, and it was gonna we was gonna have special guests and all of that. So yeah, and it was gonna be like an Instagram based baking show. But the reason how I got it on YouTube is because when I drop, like people watch long videos like this on YouTube, they don't watch them on Instagram. Like Instagram has reels and stuff that's like a few seconds, but also Instagram just like short clips basically. So when I dropped my first episode, it was like on Instagram, it was as like an IGTV thing, but it was like 15 minutes. I don't remember how long it was, but it was long, obviously. So we dropped it. It did good, and then like my mom's friends were supporting it. My mom was sharing it. I was sharing it. Like everybody was supporting, and my mom's friend was like, "You need to post this on YouTube so she can get paid." So, and basically like get like more feedback and all this stuff. Like it's gonna benefit her on YouTube more than it did on Instagram. So mom was like, "Now you need to make a YouTube channel." So I was like, "Okay," because I already have a personal YouTube channel, and I already know that you can get paid on YouTube. But that wasn't my main focus, but it was just like, this is a business, and if I'm going to be investing in this, I need to get the money back some way to continue to invest in the business, right? That's how business works. So I was like, yeah, we need to start a whole YouTube thing. So it was going to be the same thing every Sunday, 5 p.m., but on YouTube instead of Instagram. And basically, like we just ran with it. The name came from, I just wanted something unique and different. And then, I don't know, my mom came up with the name. And she was like, I don't know. I honestly don't know how we came up with the name, but she just was like, BIGBAKEROLL. And I was like, what? And she was like, BIGBAKEROLL, like instead of bankroll, like money. That's where like my logo come in at, like money and all that stuff. And the TV part is obviously because I want to be showcased like as a show, not just like regular like YouTube videos. I want it to be like a show. So that's where the TV part come in. And I was just like, okay. Like at first, I was like, I liked it because it was different and stuff. But I don't know, like I don't know how to explain it. Like I liked it, but it was just something about it. But I was like, okay, let's do it, kind of thing. So we ran with it, and that's basically like the storyline. And I already knew how to bake stuff because like I baked with my grandma, and then like baking, like it's very precise, like measurements and everything like that. But if I'm looking at recipes, obviously I'm gonna know how to do it. Even though, because as you guys know, majority of my episodes, and mostly all of them, because I feel like no matter what you do, it's never gonna come out the same exact way as somebody else made it, because they didn't make it, you made it. So like it's always gonna be different and stuff like that. And yeah, so I didn't really mind that, because it was like me baking, doing it my own way and all that stuff. So yeah, I didn't really mind that. But so our cake mix is mixed. Now I'm going to add in the Fruity Pebbles to make it Fruity Pebbles cake, obviously. So I didn't even open the box yet, but I'm just actually going to dump the Fruity Pebbles in there like that, a bunch, because we need that Fruity Pebble taste all in throughout the cake. Every bite you need some Fruity Pebbles in there. Just like that, and we're going to mix it. Just like that. So I have my 2 pans ready, and I have parchment paper and baking spray on them already. And now we're gonna give this a little mix, and we are going to pour them in our pan. So I'm going to be making 2 big cakes, but to make the layers taller when they finish baking, I'm going to split them in half, and then we're going to see what that does for us. Hopefully we get a nice size, a nice height on the cakes, but we'll see when they come out. Okay, so we have the cake in the pan now, and I'm going to put it in the oven, and I'm going to check on it in about 25 minutes. I give it between 25 to 30 minutes. Put a little bit of icing in there, just so it won't slide around, you know. And I'm going to figure out the broken part later, but we're going to start crumb coating it. This is the other half of it. It's really thin, and this is only half of it. This is it. So I don't know what I'm going to do with that, but I have it on it, and I want to make this one even, just so the cake won't look like this. And then I'm going to ice this portion. So like 2 scoops should be good. Within this 1 year, I definitely improved a lot of things, but icing the cake, decorating the cake still needs some work. Even though that's kind of like the most basic. I don't know why it's so complicated for me, but it is. So by year 2, I'm gonna have it down pat. I'm gonna be a pro at it. Ah, it broke. Alright. It's looking like we're not gonna have a nice size, but we're going to continue. But my cake looks like a basketball right now. gonna just put my butt layer on. This is all I have left to save me. It's not even. Oh my gosh, you guys. It definitely gave us some height, but it's the same as the first one. Alright. Let's finish this front coat. Okay, you guys, so after crumb coating, the design I was going for this Fruity Pebbles cake is I just wanted to cover the entire thing in Fruity Pebbles to give like that look where they have it with the sprinkles. I always thought that was really cute, so I went for that look. So as you guys can see, I'm just putting on the Fruity Pebbles with my hand, and I'm going to cover the entire cake, and then I'm going to top it off with a border on top of the cake using the star tip. And then yeah, I always thought this was really cute, so I decided to try it with the Fruity Pebbles, and I wanted to go for a different look, so yeah. Okay, so I started on the border, and it started off good, but I was going, it was looking pretty cute, but you know my cake is crooked, so when I was going straight, the icing wasn't going straight. It was basically falling off the cake. So at this point, like, I was like, oh yeah, I don't have like a balanced cake. So I tried to fix it, but as I'm fixing it, I'm trying to like compromise and do it without the design being messed up. But as you guys can see, boom, like it fell and it took the rest with it. So yeah, so at this point I'm just so frustrated and I don't know what to do. I just want to throw the whole cake away at this point. But it was just giving me a very hard time, and I thought I was finna ace this cake like it is no tomorrow, but I guess not. So this is how the end product look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, leave me a comment. We made it to 1 year, you guys. And yeah, the journey is continuous, and I'm so excited to try new things and grow from here. And I'm definitely going to take some cake classes. Like, trust me, I really am. And the next time I make a cake is going to be 10 times better, and I'm going to get better every time, and I'm going to become a professional, like I said. Alright, so this was the final product. The icing, it kept falling off, so there's nothing I could do at this point. But like I said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe. My cake skills will be improved soon. So yeah, see you guys next week. Bye.